Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to scare your friend by Mr. Computer. This kind of computer, or a laptop or a computer. Okay, then let's start. First, we want to press the Windows button and R. Then we can see an interface like this. Then we want to try on this box as EMD, then you can enter. Then you can see this kind of interface. Then you type and take a example like you want to type color space 4 and enter. The color is red and we can type this kind of code D simple D I R slash S, and you can enter. Oh, looks so scared. Well, my computer is hacked. Oh no! No, this is only a joke. This is a prank. This is a trick to scare your friends. And another I can show. Oh no, this is continuing. Continue. Then we stop. Then another example. You can type color D and it turn to purple color. Then we can type tree and enter. Oh, this is also a hacked computer. Some codes are there. I can show the color codes. First, color 0. It is black, but we can't see. Then it's taking the same color like purple. Okay, I can show you the color codes. First, we want to type a wrong color code. Color Z. There's no color Z. Then they are showing the colors. These are the colors. Black is going from 0, 1 is blue, 2 is green, 3 is aqua, 4 is red, 5 is purple, 6 is yellow, 7 is white, 8 is grey, 9 is light blue, and A light green, B light aqua, C light red, D light purple, E light yellow, F bright white. These are the color codes. Okay, I'm trying color F. It's become white color, and it is just shiny white. Then E. E. Color E. sorry, we want to take the 6th color. And it's yellow color. This is not a white color, but this is a little bit white, but this is the light yellow, the light purple. D, color D. Oops, color. This is a light purple. Then I'm taking A. Color A. Green color. Most suitably, the good color is green color. Then you can try here. D I R slash S. Always you must to keep in your mind. You want to type the codes from simple letters. But when you want to take the CMD interface, we want to press capital CMD. You can see my computer is like a hacked computer. This is so awesome. Then I can show the tree also. This is have some branches like scratch. We can see this kind of branches. Like this is volume C, thumbnails, fail, blender, large 3D object. Likewise, there are some codes. When we type the wrong one, this is the same, like this kind of message. This code is not recognized as an internal or external command, operatable program or fetch file. Then it means this is a wrong code. Okay, thank you guys. Watch my video. Click the subscribe button in the below and say bell notification all, and give me a like for my video if it is good, and share for others. Thanks for everyone. Bye.